Struggling to manage your business operations efficiently? At the Farber Consulting Group Inc, we are a leading ERP development company providing custom solutions to streamline your workflow, improve productivity, and enhance data management. Our experts specialize in building ERP systems custom to your unique business needs. From inventory management to CRM integration, we create scalable and efficient solutions that help automate processes and boost overall efficiency. If your business requires a powerful ERP system, our ERP solutions ensure seamless operations, real-time data tracking, and better decision-making. At the Farber Consulting Group Inc, we are committed to delivering ERP solutions that optimize business performance and drive growth. Visit dfarber.com or call 732-536-4765 to discover how our ERP development company can transform your business operations.